Hi, my name is Rozanne Israel. I'm a speech language pathologist and owner of Fun to Talk. And today I come to you with headsets and a microphone because I am now a teletherapy speech language pathologist. 10 weeks ago, I would never have dreamed that I was going to be doing teletherapy. But when the pandemic was declared, it necessitated a change. And when I think back at how much I've learned, I realize that there's a lot of information that I can share with other people. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can take a simple book like this one, A House for Mouse, and turn it into a PowerPoint digital slideshow so that you can read it with kids in an interactive manner. Now, I started turning a lot of my books into PowerPoint slideshows because I was finding that when I held them up to the camera, especially the glossy pages would kind of reflect and shine and they'd look really fuzzy. So I started off with really simple versions of the books, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. And then over time I started getting a little bit more fancy, adding in all sorts of extra graphics and extra features and animations, and I'm going to show you some of those things in future videos. But for now, we're just going to start off with a basic one to get those people started who haven't done it before. I now have an Instagram account and I post regularly to that account with different ideas, often talking about converting regular games and books and other activities into digital formats. So check out my Instagram account. I will put a link to that in the description box below. And also on Instagram, you will find ideas that could go very well with this book. So for now, let's get started on this DIY video. We're going to open a new document, a blank presentation, and I'm going to pick a plain layout as well. And now we're going to start inserting the pictures. So I'm going to do insert pictures from this device. That is my title page. And I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Most of my pictures are already formatted. However, I'm going to show you just one example of where I might, of me doing some formatting just to show you. I get my pictures mostly from taking pictures from my favorite books, just holding out my phone and taking the pictures and then saving them onto OneDrive or my iCloud and then importing them from there. In this particular case, though, I was a bit lazy and I took screenshots from a YouTube video of someone else reading this book. So this is how the screenshot worked out, and you can see that there's a lot of background there that I don't like. So I'm going to crop it. So all we have to do is select the picture, select crop, and then drag these L-shaped brackets to where we want the picture to be showing so that we can cut off everything in the margins. That way it's perfectly clear. And then we click crop again. And so now the picture is ready to go. Now I have already cropped all my other ones, and I want to just show you how quick this actually is. So one by one, we just insert the pictures. That was picture number 1. And we just keep going like that, inserting the pictures. I have them stored already in order so that it won't be difficult for me. So each time we do insert pictures from this device, find the picture we want and double click on it. I've reached the end of my slide, so I'm going to insert another slide. New slide, and I want a blank one. And a quick shortcut to make multiple copies of the blank slides is to hit Control D, and that duplicates them. I'm just hitting Control D multiple times so that I've got multiple blank slides, and I just keep doing the same process. Insert pictures, this device, find the picture I want to use, double click on it, and the next one. So I'm going to finish this up and then I will come back and show you the next stage. So I'm back and I have one picture left to insert, and then I can show you the next step. So that is the final picture for mouse. And I'm happy with the size of these pictures. You can make them bigger if you want to. I'm going to click on the last picture, scroll up, hold down the Shift button and click on the first one. And now any changes I make will be changed to all the slides at the same time. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert a background. I love it when it's a black background so that the picture really pops off the page. So to do that, we go to Design. Then we go to Format Background. We click on that. And then under Color, I'm going to pick black so that it's a black background everywhere. And then the other thing I'm going to do is to add in a transition. So these are the movements or the animations that go on as you turn the pages on the virtual book. And the one I like is page kill for these purposes. And that is actually it. That's as simple as it is to make a book. I'll show you a few pages of what it looks like when we read it. That's all there is to it. The most time-consuming part of making your own digital books is sourcing the pictures. So either laying out your own book and taking pictures and making sure that you get the pictures as square as you can, or else seeing if you can find the pictures from someone who's reading the book on YouTube. And I can just save that and keep it for future use. So I hope you found that useful. I will be posting more videos in the future. Until next time, see you soon.